time to get things underway. Bob, you looking forward to this one?
You bet I am. We're in for quite a game.
Shaq with the J.
Shaquille O'Neal, the assist team, #1, Baron Davis.
Dickow is trying to get the ball into the post area.
If they can get points in the paint, it may open up the outside shot.
Blocked by him. Robinson with the J. Oh, yes.
Robinson.
He'll bring it up court to Weber. To T-Mac with the fake. To T-Mac. Tries the three. Got it. The defender made no attempt to get out on the shooter.
And what a mistake that was. If they don't cover him, he'll light you up.
Terry takes the jumper. Weber grabs it.
What are you doing, Ralph?
He pump fakes. Gives it off to Davis. To T-Mac. Dishes off to Davis. Fakes the shot. To Davis. Looks at the three. He misfired. Davis is called for the defensive foul. Now is the time when teams either come together or break apart.
I'd say these guys usually come together in a crunch. Plays like that are putting them to the test.
Davis with the defensive foul. The
foul.
coach needs to settle some of his bench players down.
Definitely. This team needs to show a little solidarity right now. The defender got his hand out and was able to tap the ball away.
He knew what to do that time.
Now this is a throwdown.
Baron Davis.
What great hands.
He snatched the ball right out of thin air.
McGrady, good fake. Robinson grabs it. Looks like they want to go inside.
They think they can definitely get some points from down low.
Hill, good fake. The Diesel hits it.
He put that one down.
That's a 7-0 run. Dickow sets it up on the right side. Reed batted away by Sewell. The Magic are whistled for traveling. He sets up the play.
Look for Jason Terry to log a lot of minutes tonight. He is
to Sewell. He gets his man off his feet.
Out of bounds. Hawks ball.
Reeves got an exciting all-around game, Bob.
I guess that's what makes him an all-star.
Fires away.
Brad Miller. The assist team, #31, Jason Terry.
Fakes it. Pass to Davis.
2 minutes to go in the
To
first
T-Mac. The tomahawk jam. Grace and power. Robinson wants to try and work it into the post
out of
here.
bounds. Atlanta ball.
Dickow puts up the J. Miller grabs the offensive rebound.
He delivers on another big basket.
There aren't too many guards in this league with hops like Baron Davis.
That's right, Don. He can sure fly.
Tracy McGrady is a nightmare for anyone to match up against. He's long, he's fast, he's explosive, and not just on the offensive end.
Orlando don't mind seeing him come up and fly.
Hill is charged with the foul. Puts up the jumper. He's doing a nice job.
I don't know if they can shut him down.
To Weber. Gives it off to Hill. To McGrady. For 3 points. Hill comes up empty. Tips it in.
Nothing easy on RD.
Dickow fires. He drains it. McGrady, good fake. Launches the three.
He's trying to do way too much.
Atlanta has a 2-on-1 advantage.
Out of bounds. Magic ball.
He sets it up on the right side. That hesitation move took him out of the play. McGrady, good fake. For three. Not there. Makes the offensive rebound. He has 10 points. The rest of the team gave him some room to operate. Picks the pocket. Davis quickly advances it up the floor. Can't find the hole. At the end of the first quarter, the Magic lead 15. We saw some good play from this team, but that didn't help on the scoreboard.
Fundamentally, this is a sound ball club, but sometimes it just gets all lost in the execution.
To Dickow. Pass to Miller. Gonna shoot. Nails the J. Miller now has 6 points.
Sharif Abdul-Rahim.
Up fake. To Davis. To T-Mac. To Hill. With the jumper. My goodness. Robinson is trying to run some plays for the big men to get some production in the paint. Dishes off to Robinson.
Shot clock. Watch the clock.
To Reef. Blocked by Weber.
Into the game for Atlanta, number 2, Nazir Mohammed.
Atlanta turn that steal into a point.
Dickow is looking to go down low and get some points in the paint.
Out of bounds, Hawks ball.
They're looking to go down low and get some points in the paint. McGrady is whistled for the defensive foul.
To number 1.
Dickow is trying to get the ball into the post area.
If they can get points in the paint, it may open up the outside shot.
Passes off to Weber. I thought he was going to tear down the rim with that two-handed jam.
Into the game for the Atlanta Hawks, number 1, DeMar Johnson. And number 5, Dion Glover.
Unload. Got it.
Got to play up in his face, or a shooter like him will put the nails in your coffin.
To Weber with the nice shot fake. To T-Mac. To Davis. Shoots from outside. McGrady drains the tray. He's now got 6 points. He'll bring it up court.
Grant Hill.
Glover shoots. He drains the shot.
The assist to Sharif Abdul-Rahim.
With the nice shot fake. It's stolen. Atlanta with the push to Johnson. He fakes. Abdul-Rahim puts it up.
The assist to number 1, DeMar Johnson.
To T-Mac. Weber, good fake. He buries it. We're seeing some instant offense, Robert.
You just add a little water and stir it on up.
2 minutes
Johnson
remaining
sets
in
it
the
up.
second quarter.
To Glover. Gives it off to Abdul-Rahim. Back out to Glover. He saw that the screener rolled open and dropped him a dive. Weber will bring it up court. Goes up. Hill makes the shot.
Pick him up. Oh, you gotta call it. That ain't right. 5.
He suckered the defense, then dished it off. Rips the ball.
And get it back.
He decides not to drive. Steal. They're off and running. with the layup. Orlando has to do a better job in transition.
This looks like a weak spot for them, Don. C-Webb's not only a scorer, he can handle the ball as well as any big man and is an excellent passer.
That was a slick two-handed jam. He's now got 12 points.
Grant Hill into the game for Atlanta. Number 4, Chris Crawford. And number 12, Dan Dickow.
He is such a tough assignment on defense.
And when he can lure you into a one-on-one showdown, you know he's going to cross you up.
He gets him in the air. Mr. High Riser. He sure threw that one down with authority. The Magic are ahead by 5. Anytime he can get the isolation, his eyes light up. Backs down his defender. McGrady picks up the defensive foul. He has such great form on this shot, Bob.
Every time he gets nothing but the bottom of the net.
Into the game for Atlanta. Number 4,
Makes the second.
Alan Henderson.
Last shot.
With the quick spin move.
His shots aren't going anywhere near the net.
It's open season for rebounding.
3.
He initiates the offense. Davis is called for the defensive foul. Glover should be automatic from the line. First shot is good. Rims off. O'Neal grabs the board. Davis at the horn. At the end of the second quarter, the Magic lead the Hawks 30-28. There's a reason that they're down at half, and it's their defensive intensity.
For the most part, they've done a pretty decent job on D, but you're right. There have been some lapses, and it's definitely cost them.
Backs him down. Robinson with the 2. He fakes the shot. Now that's what I call a power jam.
The assist to Grant Hill.
Dickow wants to try and work it into the post here. They go on the break. I thought he was going to tear down the rim with a two-handed jam. That gives him 8 points. Dickow sets up the play. He fakes the shot. 3. He drains it.
You know it's game time when they're shooting like that.
Count the basket. To Armstrong. Passes off to Hill. To O'Neal. To Armstrong. Abdul-Rahim with the steal. Atlanta is racing up one.
They weren't able to keep up with the running game.
The coach might want to call a timeout to give his team a breather. That was a slick two-handed jam. He has a game-high 14 points. Looks at the 3. O'Neal gets the rebound. He fakes. To Armstrong. To Hill. Swatted away by Robinson. 9 on the shot clock.
Come on, let's go, fellas. Hey! Oh, that's a trap. Take a shot back.
Tries the 3. McGrady, no good. Abdul-Rahim boards it. Atlanta has a 2-on-1. Perry makes the lay-in. He has a team high with 10 points.
Number 12, Dan Dickow.
Powers it down with a two-handed jam.
The assist to number 34, Shaquille O'Neal.
Dickow feels they have an advantage down low, and they're going to try and exploit it. Backs him in. He pump fakes. Batted away by Hill. Perry with the defensive foul.
Jason Terry.
Weber can get a lot of points this way. No good. Robinson takes the rebound. He sets up the offense. It's stolen to T-Mac. He puts that one down.
There's
The
2.
assist to
He has 10 points. That's a 6-0 run. Dickow, he's trying to run some plays for the big men to get some production in the paint. Pulls the trigger. Terry gets the board. He's not slowing down the tempo of this game. Oh, jams it. He's now got 6 points.
the assist to Dan Dickow.
He fights on the shot fake. Block shot. I thought he was going to tear down the rim with that two-handed jam. Dickow will bring it up court. Armstrong is whistled for the defensive foul.
Darryl Armstrong, first foul in the final 2 minutes.
Dickow is looking to go down low, get some points in the paint. Armstrong with the steal. Sends it to Weber. He threw that one down hard. The Magic lead by 7. He'll bring it up court. Dickow is trying to get the ball into the post area.
If they can get points in the paint, it may open up the outside shot.
Robinson with the shot. Shot blocked by Hill. O'Neal pulls the trigger. That puts some points on the board.
He's lighted up like New York City's Broadway.
Terry wants to try and work it into the post here. They feel they have an advantage down low, and they're going to try to exploit it.
When he's hot, that player gives them a lot of options.
Mr. High Riser, he sure threw that one down with authority.
Tracy McGrady.
There are no free rides tonight.
That scrambling defense is forcing some mental mistakes. Shoots. Hill brings the jumper.
Grant Hill, the assist to number 1, Tracy McGrady.
They've switched off the clock and we're about to head into the break.
This team will hold on for the last shot. Swats it away.
Out of bounds. Hawks ball.
Shot clock is dead. Steal. Orlando is showing us their running game right now. At the end of the third, Orlando is ahead 54-42. Give these guys the edge heading into the fourth quarter.
They've played well now, but they also had a big dose of luck in the third quarter.
To O'Neal. He takes the open jumper.
He's a one-man scoring machine.
The assist to Tracy McGrady.
Dickow is trying to run some plays for the big men to get some production in the paint. Stolen. The Magic are using defense to fuel their offense.
That'll bring some fast points.
To McGrady. With the shot. No. Miller brings it down to Terry. Finger roll.
They're having a hard time containing him.
His shots keep dropping. Dishes off to Armstrong. Passes off to McGrady. Sends it to Hill. Puts up the tray. Got it.
Count it.
He'll bring it up court. Dickow is looking to go down low and get some points in the paint. To Dickow. To Big Dog. The fake blocked by Hill. This isn't the kind of player who needs 3 picks and a pass to score.
Just give him the rock to get out of his way.
He grabs the board. To T-Mac. Shoots. Abdur-Rahim grabs it. Pass to Terry. To Big Dog. Takes the shot.
Out of bounds. Atlanta ball.
Miller with the fake. Shot blocked by O'Neal.
Out of bounds. Atlanta ball. Into the game for the Atlanta
7
Hawks.
on the shot clock.
DeMar Johnson. And number 5,
Tries one from 3-point land. O'Neal with the board. On the break. Just a beautiful double pump jam. That's 12 points for the 9-year pro. post area.
If they can get points in the paint, it may open up the outside shot.
He fakes the shot. Gets it to fall.
This is what you call a shooting streak.
To T-Mac. Pump fake. I thought he was going to tear down the rim with that two-handed jam. T-Mac now has 12 points. Johnson will bring it up court. Miller wants to try and work it into the post here. Robinson puts it up. Oh, yes.
Robinson. The assist to number 52, Brad Miller.
To Armstrong. To O'Neal. Hill goes up. Richtung thought they could have done a little more damage down low in the first half.
They're going to have to get it down in the paint if they want to win this.
The assist to
Dickow, good fake. Abdur-Rahim misses the two. That's their game, running the fast break. Their big guns are firing.
And every shot is all good.
With the Rainmaker, deflects the shot. Here's the three ball. He hits the shot. He has 9 points.
The defense has to make a stand right here.
With a nice shot fake, sends it to McGrady. Pass to Hill. To Armstrong. Unloads a three. Weber takes the offensive rebound. Dickow picks up the defensive foul.
That's the first foul in the last 2 minutes.
He's 0 for 2 from the line.
Into the game for Atlanta. Jason Terry and number 52.
The Magic are ahead by 17. Dickow will bring it up court. Fake. Looks for a three-pointer. Swatted away by Armstrong. Rejection. All the way home.
That's the kind of play they're going to need to win tonight.
Gives it off to Weber. He steps on the sideline and it'll cost him the ball.
That's the kind of unforced error that just will get you on the bench.
Dickow, good fake. Robinson takes the offensive board. To Miller. Back to Miller. To Dickow. For three. Hill grabs the board. Orlando playing the transition game. This is a weakness that can be exploited again and again.
They'll have to stay aware of that from here on in.
Pass to Abdur-Rahim. The three!
Out of bounds, Atlanta ball.
With a nice shot fake.
Out of bounds, Hawks ball.
Up the window.
That one shook them down.
They need to get themselves together for Pete's sake. To Webb. Fakes it to Hill. Here's the three ball. McGrady can't find the hole. Robinson collects the rebound. Terry takes the jumper. McGrady is called for the foul. Terry to the line, shooting one.
Jason Terry.
Atlanta is down.
Nothing easy on OD.
To Webb.
We gotta stop.
Oh, baby, that got everyone out of their seats. Webb now has 15 points. From half court. No. The final score, Orlando 72, Atlanta 58.